Hey everyone, welcome to my Magic Bookifier review. Magic Bookifier is a software that helps you write faster, better, and easier. It uses artificial intelligence to generate high quality content for any topic, genre, or style. Whether you want to write a blog post, an ebook, a sales copy, a social media caption, or anything else, Magic Bookifier can help you with that. All you have to do is enter your main idea and let Magic Bookifier to do the rest. It will create a draft for you in minutes and then you can edit, tweak and polish it as you like. Also, you can export your content to various formats such as PDF, docs, HTML and more. And the best part is Magic Bookifier is a cloud based, so you can access it from any device, anywhere and anytime, okay? So how do you get Magic Bookifier? Well, here is the good news. Right now, Magic Bookifier is offering a lifetime deal on AppSumo, which means you can get unlimited access to this amazing software for a one-time payment of only $29. That's right, $29 for a lifetime of writing builds. But wait, there is more. If you use my link in the description box below, you will get an extra 10% off on your purchase. But hurry, this offer is only valid for a limited time and it might sell out soon, okay? So don't miss this opportunity to get Magic Bookifier at this incredible price. So now I will show you the demo, and as you can see, this is the dashboard of Magic Bookifier. There were several options on the top right corner. The create book option is where you can start a new project and create an ebook from your audio transcript, okay? Then the library option is where you can see all your existing projects and manage them. You can open, edit, delete or download your ebook from here, okay? The transcripts option is where you can see all your audio transcripts and edit them, okay? The profile option is where you can see and edit your personal information such as your name, email, password and profile picture. You can also see your credit uses. Next to your profile picture, you can see the purchase credit button, which you can use to buy more credits for using the software. Okay, if you click on this drop down menu, here you can see several options. The first option is the advanced writing coach. This is a new feature that helps you write better and faster, okay? The next option is magic writing coach. This is a feature that helps you create an ebook from scratch. It interviews you about your topic, audience and goals. Then it generates a draft of your ebook based on your answers. You can edit, revise and customize the draft as you like. Then ebook creator. This is a feature that helps you turn your audio files into ebooks. It automatically transcribes your audio files and formats them into well-written text, okay? You can use the ebook creator to repurpose your audio and video content into written form quickly and efficiently. Then chapter creator. This is a feature that helps you write a single chapter of your ebook. You can enter up to 3000 words to guide the chapter creator, or just let the AI write the chapter for you. You can use the chapter creator to write lengthy and complex books such as novels, textbooks or guides, okay? You can also use it to add more chapters to your existing ebook, okay? Then we have this magic ebook auto writer. This is a feature that helps you generate a full ebook from just a title. You just need to enter a descriptive title and let the AI write the entire ebook for you. You can use the magic ebook auto writer to create lead magnets, informative guides, white papers or textbooks. You can also use it to create long form blog posts or articles, okay? Now I will show you how you can create an ebook using Magic Bookifier. For that, just you need to click on this drop down menu and then click on this ebook creator option, okay? Then you will be taken to this page. First, we have this book title or subject field. Here you have to enter the title or the subject of your ebook. You can use up to 100 characters and you can change it later if you want. The title or the subject should be catchy, descriptive and relevant to your topic. It will also be used to generate the ebook cover image, okay? Next we have this field, okay? Here you can upload your audio file or paste your text. You can use this field to upload your audio file or to paste your text if you already have a transcript of your audio content. You can see the character count of your text on the bottom of the field, okay? Next you can choose the language of your audio file or your text. You can choose from a variety of languages such as English, Spanish, French, German and more. The language you choose will affect the transcript and the ebook creation process as well as the grammar and spelling check. Then you need to check this field before you can proceed to the next step. Then click here to start the ebook creation, which may take a few minutes depending on the length and quality of your audio file. Okay, then you will be taken to your library. Here you can see this is the ebook, so just click on it. As you can see, Magic Bookifier has given us the full ebook with chapters. So this is chapter 1, and scroll down below. So this is the chapter 2. Okay, also you can see this ebook is well written, right? So this is how you can create an entire ebook using Magic Bookifier. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description box below and get Magic Bookifier today. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you do, you can always get a full refund within 60 days, no question asked. So you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Go ahead and get Magic Bookifier now. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of Magic Bookifier. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.